If you're watching this video right now, you probably recorded some footage on your camera, you took the SD card out, put it in your computer to go import that footage, and all of a sudden, you can't find the footage anywhere. You've looked through all the folders in the SD card, your footage is completely gone and missing, and you just don't know what to do now. In this video, I'm gonna give you the easiest solution to this. It takes like 20 seconds, and I'm guessing this is gonna help most people with this issue. However, of course, I can't guarantee this is gonna help everybody. There's really just an unlimited amount of things that could possibly be happening to cause this issue. But I don't wanna waste your time. I know how stressful this can be, so I'm gonna get right into the solution. Also, I make a bunch of photography and camera related videos on this channel, so maybe check out some of my other videos if you're interested. So first of all, of course, pull out your SD card from your camera, which I'm guessing you've probably already done, and just go ahead and put this into your computer. And you'll see it'll just pop up right here. I'm on Mac, so I opened up my Finder window, and then you can see your SD card is just gonna pop up right in there like usual. And now next up, for this to work, there's kind of specific names of folders you're gonna need. And so if you have a folder named private in your SD card, we're gonna go ahead and click on that. And then next up, in the private folder, there should be a file named AVCHD, but this isn't a folder or anything like that. It's not a video file, it's not just a folder containing stuff. It's this weird type of file. But we're gonna go ahead and actually right click on that and press Show Package Contents. So once we hit Show Package Contents, it's gonna bring us into this whole different folder right here. And there's something called BDMV. We're gonna do actually the exact same thing. Right click, Show Package Contents. And at that point, we're in a whole nother folder with even more stuff in it. But actually go ahead and click on the stream folder. And there we go, right there is the 2 video files I've recorded on this SD card. They're not in any other folder, they're really weird to find. And at this point, you can go ahead and select those and drag them into any other folder onto your desktop, wherever you need to. But I really hope this helps you out. Go ahead and let me know in the comments if it does. And like I said, if this helped you out, maybe consider dropping a like and subscribing as well.